Do you guys think I'm sassy? Yeah. Of course. But not as sassy as TIMOTHÉE CHALAMET, period. So let me read it out for you of who TIMOTHÉE CHALAMET is before I do this transformation. Because y'all better know. I'm gonna read it in French because it's super chic. Okay, so let me read it out. TIMOTHÉE Chalamet est un acteur franco-américain né le 27 décembre 1995 à New York. Après plusieurs secondes rôles, il est réveillé au grand public par le film Call Me By Your Name. Est-ce que tu aimes mon accent français? Évidemment. So I have the makeup right here, and I don't have much, honestly, because I am not a makeup artist, and I just have them. My dream was to become a makeup artist, but my parents don't like it, so I gave most of the makeup to my friends, but that doesn't matter because I still have. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Loki, this is so good. Okay. Holding this too much is a bit tiring, so let's just put this in the freaking thing.
3 hours later.
Perfect. Hey guys, so I'm back. I am back. Oh, actually, let me just tell you guys, so I found this video by Dom Sastry. Shout out to you, because she made this transformation and I am curious to know how she does it. So I'll be bringing my headphone. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'll be watching her video. I have seen it once and I was like, oh, the transformation is so cool. But I just have these makeup right here. So if you really wanted to transform yourself into TIMOTHÉE CHALAMET, I recommend to watch her video. I'll be linking it in the description down below, or you can like click there. But anyways, hope you guys find this relaxing, enjoyable, and fun. Get ready with me, and let's just get started. Okay, so first, what she does is she uses primer, but I'll just prep my face using moisturizer. This is by Neutrogena. Let's focus on there. Focus. Focus! You're not focusing. Anyways. Is that loud? Was that loud? I don't want it loud. Oh my god. Okay. I hope that it's good in some sort of way. Okay. So let's just apply it with my Jeffree Star mirror. Ooh la la. What the hell is this? Get out. Oh my god, you guys, like looking at the mirror looks so scary because I could literally see the pores. But like in the camera, it looks like my face looks so clean, which is not true. Oh my gosh, I don't know how. Next up is this primer that I have. This is from the Pore Professional. I'm planning to finish this anyway, so like I barely even use makeup, so like I don't really care. This is the matte, by the way. I shouldn't be using matte. I don't know why I have that, but that's the only primer I have anyways. This is the circle when you have glasses. Let me just take it off. Wow, I look sassy. Anyways, how are you guys? Are you guys good? Well, fun, fresh? I hope so. Wow, my skin be looking so matte. Like really matte. So I'm done with the primer. And then the foundation with a brush. Now, I don't have foundation, so we're just gonna use this by Fenty Beauty. This is the contour stick. Okay, that was too loud. There we go. This is so enjoyable. Wait, let me just show you guys. I just love to play with this, but I'm just scared like if it's too loud for you guys. Like you can literally stack them up. Oh my god, that scared me. So I'm gonna use the bamboo stick, and I'll be applying this brush right here. Okay. This is so fun, low-key. Not too much because we're gonna keep this as natural as possible. I think that's enough. So we're just gonna apply this brush by Fenty Beauty. Does it look greasy? Sorry, you guys. Like, ugh. It's just annoying. Oh my god, my skin looks so smooth with that primer. I recommend it. Okay. Am I recording? I'm scared. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay. I look like a ghost, but that's okay. So we're just gonna continue what she just did. She uses highlight with or like concealer with a sponge, but I don't have that. So we're just gonna set the concealer that I had with Fenty Beauty, and I'll be using BH Cosmetic Studio Pro. Ta-da! And I'll be using a little bit lighter than my actual shade that I use with Fenty Beauty. Where's the brush? Give me that. Okay. Like a lot of brush. Brush. Okay. Does it look weird? No. What was that? Okay, anyways. We're just gonna set the freaking face. I'll be using this brush. I got this flick from Wish or something. Where's that? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Let's see. I'll choose this one right here. It has that yellow tone, I think. What do you guys think? I'm just blind. I think it's good, like in the middle one. It's not too yellow, but like it's the right amount of light. So we're just gonna do that and apply under my eyes. Is there any difference? I can't tell. Alright, so the next step is going to shape the nose contour, and she uses Fenty Beauty bronzer, but I don't have that. And the problem is she uses a bronzer that is way too dark compared to this one. Or is it? Oh, it is already dark. Okay, that's good. I think I'm just gonna use this just to make it as natural as possible. Yeah. So I'm just gonna apply just like that. So we have to shape the contour as crooked as what she said. So why am I looking at the camera? Give me that. Okay. I can't see. Oh my god. I'm putting way too much, but this is just for the transformation. Am I right? Am I right? So you have to like analyze, as she says, but like, how am I analyzing? This is how she does it. So we're just gonna keep doing what she is doing Now for the contour, she does it like this, so how does it look? I have to look with my glasses. I'm so blind. Oh my god. I have to know how does it look in front of the camera. Literally, I just look the same. What the hell? Let me just use a little bit more darker. So I'm gonna use this Fenty, the BH Cosmetic bronzer, and we're just gonna shape the eye a little bit, the nose a little bit more. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm shaping it like that. Okay. We're just gonna shape it like that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I look so geeky. Ew. I mean, I'm trying to blend it, but like, I'm scared. Oh my god. I look like a clown. What the hell is this? Ew. Let's just deal with it. Like, who cares? Okay, so she added like a little bit of... Oh my god, my nose is already big. So should I do it or like, should I just leave it like this? I mean, you know what, let's just do that. Let's just do what she does, okay? I'm not sure if this is going well. What the f***? Oh. Oh my god, okay. Let's just put the highlight here. No, 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 no. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so we're just gonna cover the lips with the Bamboo Fenty Beauty microphone. Okay, I'm sorry if I don't smile. It's just so frustrating to do this. But you, girl, you're talented. So, how do I apply this, like a lipstick, or I have no choice? We're just gonna do that. Okay. I hate it. No, we're not gonna do that. It's for hygienic purposes. So, you know what? I'll just apply directly and then I'll just wipe it off later. Oh my god. This is a perfect lipstick. Oh my god. Just gonna blend this up. I'm not kidding, but my lips is so crusty. Like, why am I doing this? Okay, use this lighter shade under my eyes. Where's the freaking mirror? Okay, I'm sorry. Just loving this transformation. Yes, work. We're taking it to the next level. Okay. Better. At this point, I don't really care. It doesn't have to be perfect anyways. What am I doing? But I look skinny. Look at that. I look so skinny. Okay, we're just gonna shade. That's what she said. Shade it up, shade it up, shade it up, shade it up. Yeah, this brush. Let's just do it. We're not gonna do the circular motion. We're just gonna blend it in like so. Wow, my lips be looking crusty. Does it change by any chance? I don't know, who am I looking like? This is so weird. Okay, so now it's the eyeshadow part. And what she does is she uses like Oh my god. I don't know. What am I gonna do? Look at this. It's too dark. You know what? It's okay. We can fix this. Look at my hands already. Imagine like going to Sephora looking like this. I'm catfishing myself and I'm pretty good at it. Just imagine he does makeup. This is how he would look like. Okay, so I'm back. I have this Morphe. Give me the mirror. We're gonna do it as thick. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. We're gonna make it work, honey. Work. I'm doing it as thick and large as possible. Hi. Okay. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do the other eye. So this is what we're gonna deal with. Keep it like this. And then I don't know if I'm gonna continue doing this because it's a fail. So let me just follow her contour shape. Anyways, where's the mirror? Okay. You guys. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna do the lips. I'm gonna do this real quick because I have a little storage. So we're gonna use this NYX, I think. This is unacceptable. This looks like Barbie. Okay, so we're just gonna do the Jamie palette, and I'll just use the lighter pink as much as possible because this is way too, or darker pink. What does she use? It looks like red, so we're just gonna do a little bit more red. It looks something like this. Lastly but not leastly, we're gonna just highlight the forehead, the other eye, and then I think we're done. We're over this. We are done, baby. Yes, work. So we're just gonna do let's put the Snapchat filter right here. So this is what I look like if I put just a Snapchat filter. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Make sure you hit the like if you enjoyed it, and if you like the ASMR, obviously. Oh my god, this was so hard to even hold. And hit the subscribe button so you get notified